So let's give a little bit of a life update. If you're new here, you probably don't know this, but I'm originally from Jamaica, but I spent the last 10 years of my life living in Canada. And just this month, or last month, I decided to move back home to Jamaica just because it was what was best for me. A lot of times when I get asked the question, why did you move back? Why did you relocate? Why did you give it all up and come back home? People get so confused by my response because they expect something complex. They expect that, I wasn't making good money, or I wasn't happy, or I was, something catastrophic happened. But the reality is, I just wasn't happy. I didn't have peace of mind. I didn't feel happy. I didn't feel secure, and I missed my family. And that was enough for me to decide that this decision would make my whole life, my whole being better. And so I know that for many people, it doesn't make sense. They would never move to what is considered a third world country when they seem to have it all. And that's why I want to encourage you that choosing what is best for you may not be what it looks like for everyone else. And no one else has to understand why you don't need to get the support of a million people to do what is best for you. Take your time, figure it out, spend quiet time with yourself, and make those decisions for you.
So me decide to move back to Jamaica. And before you come with all the violence, all the poverty, we are try left. Just bear in mind, so I never ask. So I always remember, so everybody have their own preference, everybody have their own life to live, everybody have to make their own decision. So if you don't agree, fine by me. But personally, I don't feel like somebody need for their foreign. I mean, most people leave Jamaica. The same story, they want to make more money, they want to get a job or pay well, this and that and that. But personally, me run my own business them. So I don't really need for their foreign. And the reality is Jamaica is one of the easiest countries to start a business in. I don't have to take my word for it. Just research it and you realize that they're in like the top 10 countries, I think. So what you have to understand is that every country have them negatives and them positives. It's just up to you, the life where you want to live and what works well for you. And personally, I don't really feel like saying nobody want to leave Jamaica, Them just want money. So if you can find a way to make money while you're in Jamaica, then you're good to go. And yes, it will be a process. I'm not going to just get up one day and say, alright, I eat this. And technically, I'm still going to be coming back and forth because my family is here as well. So, yeah, it's not going to be something that's so solid. But personally, I just feel like, say, what's the point? If every time I travel to Jamaica and come back to England, I just feel stressed out and depressed, what may I come back for? And one thing you might not know about England is not easy. And it is not for the weak. So, you see, if you want to be an entrepreneur like myself, England is not the place to be. England is one of the hardest countries to start business in. So, trust and believe, you ain't missing nothing over here. But yeah, man, right now, I'm in a sense for me, I take my money every minute I go to Jamaica and I come back, I go to Jamaica and I come back. But me, I come back far.
So, one of my dreams is to move back to Jamaica at a young age, but I can still enjoy life. Not to move back at the typical 60-65 year retirement age. So I follow this couple TikToker, right? And they were living in Canada and they moved to Jamaica. They moved back to Jamaica, young couple, and that is one of my dreams. And persons are gonna come under their account and say that they are lazy. America is not what it cracks up to be. Trust me. America will have your mental health in a whole. Most of us here are suffering from anxiety and depression who are living here in the States. Only difference with America and Jamaica is that there's more job opportunities here. If you want to work a 24-hour shift, you can work a 24-hour shift. You can just work straight so if you want. That's the only difference. But if you don't know what you're doing, you will be living paycheck to paycheck, and that works on your mental health because you're always thinking like, how am I going to pay this bill? Oh my God, another bill is coming. And it's just a bit much. It's like over here not really make for one person live, especially right now. Yes, we are in a recession, especially right now. If you not have a partner or if you not have some family member live with, trust me, I forgot double up on the job. Double or triple up. You understand? Enough people over here do doubles 16-hour days, and it works on your mental health. You don't have any time to spend with family, you don't have no social life. So coming from a culture where it's more lax and I wouldn't say stress free because stress dead here, but it's more lax, and you come here, it'll go work for your mental health. And moving from anywhere you're from and to a new place, it takes adjustment. Like, no one better than yard. And when I say yard, it's wherever you are originally from. So that is my dream, to move back to Jamaica at a young age. I am happy for the opportunity that was given, and I'm not being ungrateful, but that is my dream and that is my desire.
There was a lot of things in Canada that we enjoyed, so don't think that or packing up and leaving Canada was just a spur of the moment or today, okay, I this so want to do. No, no, no. This was a decision that me and my husband, we both processed, we both worked through, we both think through as much as we can. And I will say this right now, you cannot think through everything in your life, people. Like, I'm so glad my day is saying I'm alive right now. Mentally, you cannot think through everything in your life. You can't just plan and execute. And my happy place at Jamaica, I was born there. I'm gonna get to experience a lot of the richness that is in Jamaica, and that we want. So we made a plan, and we moved back, and we're living our best life. So give the page a follow if you want to see what that looks like.
What's up, my loves? How are you? Thank you for clicking back to this amazing channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that when we upload a new video, you'll be among the first to be notified. To our returning subscribers, thank you. We don't take your love for granted. In this video, we see Jamaicans going back to Jamaica from Canada, from USA. The main reason for them going to USA was to search for greener pastures. Yeah, when it comes to job opportunities in America, it's true, it's very easy to get one. But now the problem is at the amount you make in that job, you end up paying the bills. At times, it's not even enough, so you end up taking 2 to 3 jobs a day, which is so exhausting and also pressures you mentally. It's not really easy to make friends in the America, so it's so hard for maybe, let's say, a Jamaican having troubles to get someone to share, like to open up. So you find that their mental health is not so stable because you're going through things and you have no one to share with. You're going through things and you have no one to like hear you out. Let's talk about the weather. In America, weather is so cold. When you come to Jamaica, the place is hot, the weather is friendly, and tell me why you won't miss your weather at home. Those are some of the reasons why these Jamaicans are going back to Jamaica. And most importantly, home is the best. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Till next time, my loves. Bye.